Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kristen. Thanks for coming and spending some time on my channel today. I have Fashom. I did do the unboxing live on their Facebook page, so I just need to do the try on for y'all, and I really need some help. I'm going to put a poll for each piece, and I would love for you to click the little eye up in the corner, drop it down, and as you see each piece, let me know which ones you think I should keep. So I thought, unboxing it, they all had potential, so let's try them and see. So, little quick try on. This is the top, which I really like the pattern and the colors and how it fits from the front. And the back is this kind of weird cross. So you can kind of see. And then the pants have the flat front, but I'm not sure about the length. You'll have to tell me. What do you think? Too short, too cropped? I think it's supposed to be cropped, but it's not really on me. But the pattern of it is really pretty. And I like the stretch. That's outfit one. Right? Top two. It is a like sweater, actual on the sleeves, and then knit here in the middle. Nice maroon color. There's a good, get some light on it. It's super comfortable. The back is the same. Got a gathered waist. And I really like it. It's comfortable. Seems well made. This is probably a keep. I'm gonna do the poll. Top three. Nice V-neck by Gilly. Bell sleeves, has the crochet detail, that popular cinnamon color, and top four by Renee C, also V-neck, balloon sleeve. The pattern of it has orange and kind of teal, beige, and a pretty red. So that was this month's Fashom. If you would let me know your picks or if we should just put them all back. The Renee C was a repeat. You may have recognized that, and the orange one. But I definitely think I want to keep this one, but I am really interested in what everybody else has to say. I appreciate your time. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I hope that everybody has a super awesome day. I will put the link for Fashom and further details in the description. Just click the arrow if you need more information on that. Peace.